There's no way.
Come here. You put your hands behind their head. They use you.
Toto, money? No.
Look at her, she's spinning. The dog is crazy!
Mimic, come on! Let's go!
Take that tongue away.
Bang.
Yeah.
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
Winston. She's chewing on your tail, man. I can't believe this.
We gotta take a bath. You're stinky. You want a treat?
Phoebe, hold the damn light still. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Mama?
Ow!
Oh, you don't mean it.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch? Oh, she come on!
Penny, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk.
Hey! Bitch, beauty!
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh.
Why she's so scared?
Pretty big chicken breast. Zusi.
Happy birthday to.
Right.
I'm just a big toasty cinnamon bun. I never want to leave this bed.
Burn out! Burn out! Please! Go home! Burn out!
Hey! What
baby, just do this.
Baby, no, come on.
You are so handsome. You got so big.
Oh, back up now. Back up.
What's up, buddy? Man, you made me scared. I ain't gonna lie. You made me nervous. What you doing? Hey, girl. Right here. Good. Whoa. Wait.
And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck. What?
Butter. Come on, Walter.
Yeah!
Super. Are you hungry? Huh? Did you go in the rain?
Chuck, off the bed. Chuck, off the bed. Off it.
Bestie. Hey, Sadie.
See? There, see?
Enzo, get down. Get down.
A lot of chicken? Oh, wow. Okay. All right then. Okay.
Oh.
I think you'll stay sucked in just a little bit. The ring is scrape up into the ring.
Huh?
Oh no!
Did you just call me a bitch? Did you call me a bitch? Yeah. Why?
You are muddy. Oh, hey, hey.
And here we go. I hope you're hungry for nothing.
this is why.
生啥？不听啥吗？啊？是啊，你这叽叽啥吗？
¡Ay, Miguel!
Absolute clone. You want ice cream? Is it delish?
Oh, thank you for the kiss, Dom.
Oh my god!
Stop, you dumb hoe. I'm so sorry I said that. I take it back. I'm not sorry at all.
You really farted in my face.
I'm a sleeper, I'm a nap star. I'm gonna go to sleep when it gets hard. I'm gonna take a nap when I get tired. I ain't gonna wake up till it.
I don't weigh no 53 pounds. You're crazy.
Buddy, what you doing?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because
Is that comfortable? Your feet aren't even touching the ground.
They're too long. How is there? Oh, shit. Ow. Oh my god. Ow.
Fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I'm still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Maxwell, it's just your dad.
Get off the cover. Move. Can we make the bed, please?
Just pull it from him.
Oh my god. Ace.
Go see Grandma?
Get it.
Relax. Get off the rug. Sit down. Calm down. Calm down.
Don't lick his face, Mama.
Brody. Yeah, you got.
Alice, get out.
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
It is 2 o'clock in the fucking morning.
You're killing me, Courtney. No, I'm telling you to get back in the house.
Come to this.
Wonder who did it.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Hey Chewbacca, I'm going out. Does my breath smell bad?
Oh my god.
Do you want to lay down? How about you lay down, kiddo? Yeah.
Canela, you stealing from me?
Hey, Kelly. Kelly.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Mars. Mars. Come here, big boy. Oh.
He broke the TV! No!
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
Hey, Mama. Hey there, Hell Mama.
What's wrong?
Greta.
I'm not gonna let go! I'm not gonna let go! No, 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 I'm not gonna let go! I'm not gonna let go! I'm not gonna let go! No, 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 I'm not gonna let go! Get here, get here, get here! I'm gonna bite you, bite you, bite you! I'm not gonna let go!
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Brody, do you like to be tickled? Are your feet having fun, Brody?
My love. Baby, it's okay.
What? Who are you talking to?
Bambi, put your head down. Put your head down.
I literally didn't invite you up here.
I got a background checks, so you know you can trust them with your home. You can compare prices, book appointments, and what my wife loves most is that Home Advisor is completely
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Are you sleepy? Are you tired, Daddy?
adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
Get him. Get him.
Bark at your dog.
Sorry.
Move it like up here, please. Thank you.
Did you steal my phone? Need to make a combination of strains of protein so that they won't develop resistance.
What's in that green vial may be the answer to stopping the Zika virus. What scientist has to
Hey, what's your name, little doggy?
To suck the meat from your bone. Yes, when all is said and done, she is a killer.
Odie May. Hey! You've got to be fucking kidding me.
Xander. Come on. Come.
Venus. Venus. Venus! Oh, you fucking bitch.
Open the door! Open the door!
Don't do that, Cody.
I'm gonna show you guys why you can never trust a pit bull. Just a warning, it might get a little graphic.
Go higher. Higher, Jesus. There you go. Go left, left. Wrench. There you go. Good. There? Yeah, there you go.
A little policer. Shut the door. Good boy. Shut it. Push. Shut the door. Good lad.